Vistasparks Solutions offers a unique blend of industry expertise, flexible learning options, and comprehensive support services that enable individuals to develop their skills and advance their career. In the field of CTRM, the company provides a range of training programs designed to meet the specific needs of its clients, including customized workshops, online courses, and one-on-one coaching. These programs are delivered by experienced instructors who have extensive knowledge of the CTRM industry. By leveraging these resources, individuals can gain the skills and confidence needed to succeed in their chosen careers. Vistasparks Solutions also offers a range of tools and resources to support ongoing learning and professional development, including access to a library of e-learning materials, webinars, and networking opportunities. With a focus on providing personalized attention and tailored support, Vistasparks Solutions helps individuals to overcome obstacles and achieve their career goals in the field of CTRM. The SAP CTRM Training program is designed to provide learners with practical knowledge and skills to manage trading and risk management activities effectively. The program focuses on developing skills in areas such as market analysis, pricing strategies, and risk management techniques. Learners will receive guidance from experienced trainers who have extensive experience in implementing SAP CTRM solutions across various commodity sectors. SAP CTRM is a critical component of modern supply chain management. With the increasing complexity of global trade, companies need to navigate intricate networks of suppliers, manufacturers, as well as distributors. Companies require a comprehensive platform that manages these relationships, optimizes logistics, and improves overall efficiency. A robust CTRM system, such as SAP CTRM, enables companies to streamline their operations, reduce costs, and enhance their competitiveness in the market. Real-time monitoring and analysis of market trends are also enabled by SAP CTRM, allowing companies to respond quickly to changes in demand and supply. Having a robust CTRM system like SAP CTRM is essential for staying ahead of the competition in today's fast-paced business environment. The commodity trading challenge is faced with market volatility, risk management, seamless integration with global commodity markets. Efficient CTRM systems are critical in this environment. They integrate trading operations with enterprise ERP systems, enabling real-time management of complex trading operations, including those affected by geopolitical tensions, climate change, logistics coordination, and regulatory changes. These systems provide comprehensive risk mitigation and visibility, as well as streamlined end-to-end management tools, allowing for sophisticated strategies and demand management. The SAP CTRM platform provides a range of functionalities that cater to the needs of traders and market participants. These include advanced analytics tools, real-time data feeds, and sophisticated algorithms for price discovery and risk management. The platform also supports multiple currencies and languages, allowing users to operate across different regions and cultures. Additionally, it offers a user-friendly interface that facilitates easy navigation and transaction processing. Furthermore, the platform includes a robust security framework to protect sensitive information and prevent unauthorized access. SAP AM is a comprehensive solution that offers a wide range of features and functionalities for managing and optimizing trading operations. These include advanced analytics tools, real-time data management, and automated workflows. By using these features, users can gain valuable insights into market trends and make informed decisions about their trading strategies. Additionally, SAP CTRM provides a user-friendly interface that allows users to easily navigate and manage their trading operations. The system also includes a range of reporting and analytics tools that enable users to track and analyze their performance over time. Furthermore, SAP CTRM supports multiple platforms and devices, making it accessible from anywhere. This flexibility allows users to work on the go, reducing the need for manual intervention and increasing productivity. Our team of experts provides guidance on implementing effective strategies for optimizing commodity trading operations. With a focus on industry expertise, we deliver customized training solutions tailored to meet the specific needs of each organization. By leveraging our knowledge and experience, companies can improve their overall performance and reduce risks associated with commodity trading. Our training programs cover essential topics such as market analysis, pricing models, and regulatory compliance. We also provide hands-on training experiences to equip participants with practical skills and knowledge. At Vistasparks, we strive to deliver high-quality training that meets the evolving needs of the industry. Our training programs are designed to cater to the diverse needs of professionals across various industries. The training sessions are structured around real-world scenarios and case studies, allowing participants to apply theoretical knowledge in practical settings. Through this hands-on approach, participants can develop essential skills such as risk management, regulatory compliance, and system integration. Our training covers all aspects of the trade lifecycle, from initial setup to post-trade processing. Participants will learn how to navigate complex regulatory environments and integrate their systems with existing ERP systems. By providing a comprehensive education, we equip our students with the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed in the commodities market. The company offers a variety of training delivery modes that cater to different learning styles and preferences. Lead instructor-led training is provided by experienced instructors who give real-time guidance and instant feedback. Participants can engage actively and collaborate with others through this interactive approach. Self-paced learning options are also available, allowing individuals to learn at their own pace and on their own schedule. The company's flexible delivery model accommodates busy schedules by offering virtual, on-site, and hybrid training options. These flexible modules enable professionals to meet corporate requirements and receive timely feedback. Expert trainers design these training options to accommodate individual preferences and learning styles, ensuring comprehensive content coverage. Individuals seeking to accelerate their careers in the energy and commodities sectors can benefit from a comprehensive program that offers expert mentorship, practical experience, and personalized guidance. This program provides individuals with the opportunity to work on real-world projects that simulate actual implementation experiences, allowing them to develop the skills they need to succeed in these fields. The program also includes career acceleration, comprehensive certification support, and dedicated job placement assistance, making it an attractive option for those looking to advance their careers. Corporate training benefits include customized programs tailored to your company's specific needs, team enablement through comprehensive upskilling, and ongoing support to ensure successful implementation and long-term results. Empowering teams is not just about giving them the tools they need, but also about creating an environment that fosters growth and development. When teams are empowered, they are more likely to take ownership of their work, make decisions, and drive results. Providing teams with the resources and support they need to succeed, such as training, mentorship, and feedback, is essential. This enables teams to unlock their full potential and achieve greater market success. A culture that values collaboration, innovation, and continuous learning can be built by empowering teams. Such a culture allows everyone to grow and develop, which creates a competitive advantage that sets organizations apart from others. Organizations can achieve their goals and make a positive impact on the market by empowering teams. Teams can then drive market success by taking ownership of their work and making informed decisions. The SAP CTRM system is used for managing oil and gas trading activities. It provides a platform for traders, brokers, and other market participants to buy and sell commodities such as crude oil, natural gas, and petroleum products. The system also offers features for managing inventory, tracking shipments, and monitoring prices. Additionally, it enables users to create and manage contracts, track orders, and analyze market trends. The system is widely used by major energy companies and is considered an essential tool for optimizing trading operations. The core modules covered by our comprehensive SAP CTRM training program are as follows. 1. The fundamentals of CTRM encompass a comprehensive overview of commodity markets, key market participants, trading mechanisms, and platform architecture essentials. 2. Trade lifecycle management involves end-to-end processes including deal capture, contract negotiation, execution workflows, and financial settlement. 3. Risk management covers advanced frameworks for market risk, credit risk, operational risk, value at risk, VAR, calculations, and scenario analysis. 4. P&L. Reporting and valuation involve mark-to-market methodologies, margin reporting, position valuation, and seamless financial system integration. Advanced topics such as integration with other systems, complex pricing, and scheduling are critical components of our logistics operations system. These advanced topics enable us to coordinate and connect various SAP ERP models, facilitating seamless communication and data exchange between different departments. Our system also incorporates sophisticated pricing mechanisms, allowing for precise calculations and optimal decision-making. In addition, we utilize advanced transportation management systems, enabling real-time tracking and monitoring of shipments. Furthermore, our system integrates external financial management systems, ensuring efficient handling of transactions and payments. We also employ advanced derivatives pricing models, providing accurate option valuation and risk management capabilities. Moreover, our system includes regulatory strategies and compliance tools, ensuring adherence to industry standards and regulations. By integrating these advanced features, we can optimize our logistics operations, improve efficiency, and enhance overall performance. This enables us to provide more effective solutions to our clients, meeting their specific needs and requirements. Ultimately, our advanced logistics operations system provides a robust foundation for managing complex supply chain operations. Benefits of our comprehensive SAP CTRM training program include hands-on tools and live trading projects that allow you to simulate real-world applications and case studies. Our training covers market analysis, hedging strategies, and analytics dashboards, as well as risk mitigation techniques and management functionalities. Through these interactive experiences, you'll gain practical knowledge and skills to analyze real market volatility, impacts, and master SAP CTRM reporting features. You'll also have the opportunity to develop and implement your own hedging strategies and position workflows using actual market data. Our training is designed to provide you with a deeper understanding of the SAP CTRM system and its capabilities, enabling you to make informed decisions and drive business success. With our expert trainers and flexible learning options, you can choose the pace and format that works best for you. Whether you're looking to enhance your existing skills or start from scratch, our SAP CTRM training program has something for everyone. By the end of our training, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complexities of the SAP CTRM system and achieve your goals. Career impact and why choose Vistasparks. At Vistasparks, we offer comprehensive solutions that can significantly enhance your career prospects. Our team of experts has extensive experience in providing top-notch training and support services. With us, you can expect to gain valuable skills and knowledge that will open doors to new opportunities. We have a proven track record of delivering successful projects and training programs. Our flexible learning options allow you to accommodate your schedule, whether you are an individual learner or part of a corporate team. We also provide dedicated career support, including certification preparation and job placement assistance. By choosing Vistasparks, you will be investing in your future and setting yourself up for long-term success. Our industry expertise and commitment to excellence ensure that you receive the highest quality training and support. Joining Vistasparks allows you to advance your career. Career paths after training in CTRM include various roles such as functional consultant, lead implementation and optimization, risk analyst, energy trading specialist, implementation engineer, business analyst, and bridge technology and trading operations. These roles offer competitive compensation and growth potential in the global commodity trading sector. Our trainers are experienced professionals who have worked extensively in various industries such as finance, energy, and commodities trade. They possess a deep understanding of the complexities of these sectors and can provide valuable insights into the practical applications of SAP CTRM. Their expertise spans multiple regions and countries, allowing them to share real-world experiences and case studies from diverse markets. The company has been involved in various projects that have resulted in significant improvements in supply chain management. The company's commitment to innovation and excellence has led to numerous awards and recognition from industry leaders. The company has also developed its own proprietary technology to improve supply chain efficiency. Our training programs are designed to help you master the skills required to succeed in commodity trading and risk management. By enrolling, you will gain access to a wealth of knowledge and expert guidance that will enable you to make informed decisions and navigate complex markets. Our team of experienced professionals will provide you with personalized support and coaching to ensure your success. We also offer a range of resources and tools to help you stay ahead of the curve. With our training programs, you can develop the expertise needed to excel in this field.